Hello.
Largest canyon in Asia. Amer is on the other side over here, but there's a secret tunnel.
So we are here in Jaipur and we are doing a tour of many forts today. And we're starting our day with a tour of the water wells and the watering catchment systems at Nahargarh Fort. From my understanding, which I'm hoping you'll maybe teach us more about this.
Plumbing, as we know, obviously came with British, but before that, right, how water was used, right? What is water for us in Rajasthan?
Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there.
The Thar Desert, also known as the Great Indian Desert here in Rajasthan, is unique among deserts in the world. The Thar has the highest density of human population. Compared to the Sahara Desert in Africa, which has a density of 1 person per square mile, the Thar has 143 people per square mile. The only way to support this density is innovative solutions around water entrapment and management. The basic premise is to capture the water on the rare occasions it rains, funnel it to long-term storage, and along the way clean out and filter any debris.
We learned so much on this tour, and I am so impressed by the ingenuity of these people. The tour guide explained to us all this information about how the different steepness of the canals that basically and walls that direct the water and to go into the tanks near the palace. And so it's really, really impressive how they clean the water, how they collect the water, and how they guide it, all by design, so that way they have water in a very arid state. It's very impressive.
And now we're gonna go check out the fort, which all this water goes to.
We just wrapped up our time at the Nahargarh Fort. I might be saying that wrong. My apologies. And we just had a fantastic time. We met another couple here and we were walking around and had a really wonderful time. We learned about the water and catchment systems, which was really, really interesting. We walked around some of the perimeter of the fort and we went inside the palace. Overall, we had a really great time. Now on to getting a bite to eat, which might just be our crackers, and then heading on to the Amer Fort.
Nahargarh, which we're butchering that name all day today, I'm sorry, to Jaigarh Fort. Jaigarh Fort's claim to fame is another military fort. It is the largest cannon in Asia. So it was so close we were to stop by and see what it's about.
This place is massive.
No, it is.
Wow.
They take their fort seriously. Also, it's pretty hot today and very blue skies and sunny weather. And we didn't wear any sunscreen. So we're like trying to maximize the shade that we have because it is beating down today. Shame on us. Atrium, this courtyard, where the cannon, I think it's up there. It's really pretty. There's a bunch of, I don't know, braided rocks all kind of coming out of the ground. You can kind of see what this mountain looks like on the inside. It's just really cool. It's pretty crazy out in the water. This cannon is huge. Oh my god. Yeah, believed to be the largest cannon in the world, pulled by elephants and ropes up here. I mean, look where it came from. Wow.
That is crazy. The cannon is really beautifully decorated. It has elephants, birds, lotus, which is a really important symbol here in India. It's a really beautiful cannon.
That cannon was really cool. It's just amazing how destructive it was, or it seems to be, and how huge it is, but they had so many details all over the barrel. It was cool. I wonder, you know, how much use it got, because these are only like 300 or 400 years old. I think it was in the 1700s that it was built. We are heading to our last fort of the day, Amer. It's A-M-B-E-R, it's not Amber, it's Amer. And we're hoping we can take a shortcut. To get up here, you have to go all the way up in the mountains, and it takes a while. And Amer is on the other side, over here. But there's a secret tunnel. In secret. I'm saying secret because I just learned about it today from our guide. But hopefully it's open, and hopefully we can go take it. Because it's less than 1 kilometer, and it'll save us a lot of driving and a lot of money. So let's see.
Now it's yellow. Everywhere we've been has been pink so far because it's the pink city. And so now it's yellow. It's kind of surprising. It's very pretty yellow though. And nice like light pastel color.
We just stumbled upon this little museum, War and Peace.
Nice.
It's nice and cool in here too.
Yeah, and shaded.
And it looks like this fort was built with defense of Amer, which we're going to next. Prince Charles and Princess Diana.
Now we're across the way in the Armory Museum.
Wow, look at that. They also have a temple here in this fort. So I think the tunnel is active. Somebody just said it was that way. But before we go, here is
A palace.
Yeah. In this middle of this courtyard, and there's a huge tree. Like, there's a small tree. There's like no vegetation here. But wait, there's a huge tree in the middle of the courtyard. It's amazing. What do you think? Give me your thoughts.
Well, it's dark. A little creepy. Oh, this is nice.
I feel like we could get lost in here.
We could very easily get lost in here. This dining area was built in the 1600s. That's crazy.
As an addition to the fort, I guess, because the fort's since the 11th century.
Yeah, so I think they just kind of did it piece by piece. Now, time to find the secret passageway.
Does this look right?
We don't know. We're wandering. We can't find it, but hopefully, maybe we'll find a clue soon.
Wow, that is where we're going next. So we found somebody who works here who says the tunnel is just right down there. Let's see if we can get there.
We're trying to get to the tunnel fairly quickly because the other fort has a closing time and we're kind of running out of time in the day. Wow, look at this. Are they goats?
Yeah, these are goats.
Goats? There's goats. Look, there's goats. That goat's rubbing his butt against, or his like behind against the wall. I definitely thought the sound of the bells from the goats was like an ice cream cart coming up here.
Oh, it's so long. What if it's a different type?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
That monkey's tail is huge.
8 or more monkeys.
Wow.
Lots of monkeys.
Monkey's tail is huge. That's probably the tunnel. This is definitely the way to get from the fort. I mean, they were trying to charge us 1,000 rupees.
Yeah. This is a very scenic walk, which I really like. It's nice.
These are definitely a different breed of monkeys. They're black-faced.
For sure.
The long tails. They're pretty. Hi, monkey. Come on, stare at me in the eyes. Sorry, I can't, but they look like little babies. Baby humans. There's monkeys in all these trees. Look, that one's just chilling. We made it!
Yay, we made it in. So it turns out that one of the security guards wouldn't let us in through the secret passage. We still made it on the road that went from that palace, or that fort to this fort.
First order of business now that we're in Amer is food. All we've had to eat today are 2 pieces of toast.
And some crackers.
And some crackers, yeah. And 1 banana for me. And coffee. Definitely coffee.
There's people over there walking up this wall, and the gardens are absolutely beautiful.
More selfies. I think we made it.
We made it, and it's huge.
Wow. This is super ornate. You can tell that this was very important back in the day. So we didn't really find a restaurant here, just like a little stall. So we kind of did what we know how to do best.
Snickers.
Yeah.
We also got some coffee and some more water. So add a Snickers to our list of things that we've had today, which is not very long.
Yeah.
And that about summarizes what we've had to eat. So Snickers for the win.
So we're gonna eat these before we explore the palace and the fort of Amer. It's so cool. There's all these ornate pieces all over. I don't know what this is. Maybe water came up there. This is part of the Turkish bath system that I'm about to see. I have jacuzzis.
Whoa. There's tons of mirrors. Pretty cool. This is amazing.
Wow. That's awesome. Legend has it that the queen wanted to sleep underneath the stars. The king didn't want her sleeping outside, so he built this beautiful palace where there's mirrors all on the roof, so it would sparkle like the stars. Quite romantic. And there's a beautiful garden right on the opposite side of the bedchamber. I mean, look at this. It's maintained beautifully. I guess there's a lot of water too that's just not working, but yeah. Right up there is the fort that we just walked down from that was built to protect the city. This fort is huge.
It just keeps going and going and going.
The tunnel. That's what we should have came in. They said that they're going to be closed for the next 15 days due to the coronavirus, so we've been extremely lucky to see these things today.
That ends our day exploring the forts in Jaipur.
Stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe.
Hello. Hey. What? No! Was not expecting that.
That dog's fun to play.
Yeah, I wish I had a tennis ball. Hello.
Okay. Oh, okay. Is the dog? Yeah, you're the...
Yes, yes, good boy. I think he wants food, but like we don't have food.
He says, play with me. That's why you're so chubby.
If the monkeys attack you, I'm not going to come rescue you because I don't want to be around monkeys. So please, let's keep going. Let's keep going.
I think we made it.
We made it, and it's huge. I can definitely see why it's the largest palace.
It's not the largest palace.
Oh, the largest fort.
It's not the largest. It's the largest that we've seen today.
Okay, the largest fort that we've seen today.
Riding in style. I wonder how much those are to get home. 10,000 rupees.